Since I have one child, I'm gonna be voice reviewing. I have this. Okay, guys, so this is my voice, and at 50 or 30 subs, I will decide if we should do stream face revealing. I'll decide which count of subs, and then I'm also gonna probably stream Minecraft. I don't know, maybe I might. And then I also have a TikTok account. I'll leave the TikTok account in the title, and thank you. Bye.